Alright guys, so we're going to an apartment that we were at yesterday, and the tenant said the toilet was fine, the superintendent had cleared the drain, and apparently she called back again today saying that it's plugged up. So now we gotta go fix it, when I could have fixed it yesterday. Hopefully she's home.
Hi.
What happened?
You know what? We left the house, so apparently it was just 2-3 flushes that it worked. The super was just fine, but at night when we came back, after like 2 more flushes, the same thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, let's get out of the way, guys.
Thank you. I do gotta keep my shoes on. I apologize.
Okay, that's fine. It's
Here
okay.
you
Don't worry about it.
There's an elevator here. Oh.
So, all right, I'm gonna go in and close the door. All right?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Thanks. All right, let's see what we're looking at. Looks like a plugged toilet. one more flush. Alright guys, that's it. You can see everything's running good. So we'll just head out of this one. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Toilet's all clear.
Oh my god, amazing.
New toilet, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you know what the problem was?
I don't know offhand. I didn't pull anything out.
Oh, okay.
But these toilets, they're stupid sensitive.
That's what we
Okay.
did too, yeah.
Nothing, and I mean absolutely nothing other than toilet paper.
Yeah.
Even if something says flushable, don't flush it.
Flush it.
So wet wipes, baby wipes, a lot of them say flushable, right?
Yeah.
Don't flush them.
Okay.
They'll get clogged up. The management will find out you did it because it'll get stuck in there. If I pull anything back, I'm supposed to let them know.
Okay.
I didn't pull anything back.
Okay, good.
I'm not saying there wasn't something in there,
Probably was, yeah.
right? So just make sure nothing other than toilet paper goes down. No paper towel, not even Kleenex, believe it or not.
Yeah.
So just toilet paper.
Okay.
Okay?
Perfect. Yeah, amazing. Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good day. Go check, make sure you're happy.
Okay. Because the kids have been patient. Yeah, it looks good. You know what? I did the same thing yesterday.
I literally just flushed it like 10 times and I put paper in every single time.
Okay.
Okay, so-
So you won't back up. Okay.
And with these toilets, this management's new with these toilets. They probably don't have the proper equipment that we have.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Definitely don't. Yeah.
So,
Okay.
all right?
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good day.
Appreciate it. You too.
Thanks. Bye now. All right. Well, there you go. Off to the next one. Till next time, guys, this has been Jay, that drain guy, checking out Trogna.